This unboxing video is for some new hearing protection that I got. As you know, hearing loss is cumulative and permanent. So when you're shooting a lot, like a lot of us like to do, it is really, really important that you use really good hearing protection. So these are the ones that I got, the MSA Sordin. These are supposed to be very comfortable the way that this goes over your head versus the kind of the thicker ones that put a lot of pressure on. So for hours at a time, these are really comfortable. Also, you can wear a helmet over these, so pretty important. Yeah, these came highly recommended to me, so we will take a look. In the box basically was this and a little thing from SRS Tactical, which is the website that I ordered it from, just explaining exactly how to put batteries in. Not sure if they're included yet or not. Guess we'll find out soon. Before these, I had, not really sure what brand they were, but I guess the generic brand that most gun stores sell. And they're okay, but the problem is there's just a lot of material here. So when you're putting the rifle stock right up like the cheek weld on your cheek, for those of us that have higher cheekbones, it can push this outer cup off. And even though I usually wear these inner ear earplugs, it's still, these aren't the best in the world. It says that it's a 32 decibel rating, but like I said, hearing loss, permanent, cumulative, it's worth the investment just to go ahead and buy some really good hearing protection. So I keep some of these in my bag just in case. These are the ones that I would recommend. It's the way it's rated anyways is a 4 decibel difference between these and then just the cheap ones you get off Amazon, the reusable ones. So these for inner ear and then these for over the top. It's important too to have somewhere you can turn them on. So if you're not shooting with a suppressor, you want to still be able to take instruction from whether that be the range master or the instructor, or if you're out hunting, or just anytime you need to communicate or hear things in your surroundings, which really should be all the time. So yeah, let's take a look. This is how the box came, pretty much just like this. So this one is the Supreme Pro X neckband. Oh, it says batteries included, and then the 3.5 mono cable is also included. So it looks like the rating here is 21 for the medium size, I believe is what I have. Or on the medium end, it's a 21 decibel rating. All right. So you've got the cable here, and they come with this. I guess that's just the insert in the box. Pull that off. Okay, not bad. They look like they're pretty low profile, which is really what I was looking for. This is where the battery goes here, and this is where the jack goes. This goes on the back, this goes over the top, so this is basically just a little strap, and then this is what is creating some tension there so that they stay on. So they go just like that. These are the gel covers, which I highly recommend. I think those are like a $24, $25 edition to get those, but I highly recommend those, especially if you plan on having these on in long periods of time. On and off here, plus minus the volume here. These look like the little microphones to pick up noise. Yeah, pretty straightforward. They fold up pretty small. This looks like really good construction. Metal here, you can definitely tell it's got some good tension on it, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna be so tight that it gives you a headache, just so it gives you a good seal. And then also inside the box, I have some instructions from MSA. Little book, a couple different languages, and of course you gotta have your batteries. So that looks like it. Batteries. So you open that, it looks like one drops in and then you put the other one on top. So just in case, I've never done this before. I'm seeing this for the first time. So let's just go ahead and do that. Let's take a look and see if it is that simple. While I'm unscrewing this battery cap, if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. Whoops, okay, so just a note, that is not attached anyway, so that will come off, bounce in your lap. As I was saying, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and be sure you subscribe. Then you click on this bell here for notifications, and you will receive an email every time I upload a new video. I've got a couple of cool videos coming up. I've got several new products from Barrett Firearms that are still in the box, and I'm really looking forward to unboxing those so I can go out and shoot them. So the first battery, the one that drops down, positive out, so we're just going to drop it in. Hope I have the camera angle just right. Drop it in, and I guess that's going to drop down. So here it shows that too. That one's positive. And then the next one is going to go with the positive in. Okay. So tap the bottom of the cup on a hard surface. This should allow the front battery to drop in place. Okay. I don't really want to bang up my desk. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I didn't even need to, but that is what the instructions say. So it dropped down. I don't know if I have the angle right, but that battery dropped down. So now the next one is going to go with positive down like that. It's going to go, positive's going to go in first. It appears that it dropped down, but this one is not going in. So I'm going to need like a pencil or something. There we go. So I can feel that, and now I can see the other end there. So you do need a pen. So again, this one is positive in first. Okay. Screw that down. Make sure you get that nice and tight. Keep it waterproof. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can hear that, but there was a beep. So I did that right, it did turn on. Turn that down, I'm getting a little bit of feedback. And it does make auditory signal every time you increase or decrease the sound sensitivity. Okay, now they're good to go. Appreciate you guys watching another video. Be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know what you guys think, what your favorite hearing protection is. See you guys on the next video.